Are you looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate? The Gerrie Group offers world-class service to clients around the world. Call us today to set up your personal tour at 417-337-1509 or email us at gerriemooregroup.com. Located between Springfield and Branson in the Gentry neighborhood of Saddlebrook, you will find your next home ownership experience in this spacious 2-level all-brick and stone home. Imagine entertaining in the open floor plan with travertine tile floors, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances with water spigot at stove. From formal dining to the eat-in kitchen that steps out into a spacious sunroom office, enjoy the natural light that shines through every window while enjoying breathtaking views of the Ozark Mountain hillside. Whether inside or outside on the open deck, you and your family and friends will enjoy morning coffee or evening dessert while visiting or enjoy the quiet of nature. Inside, find the propane fireplace and living area and inviting master en suite.